Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of the most anticipated gaming console of the decade, the Nintendo Switch 2. In this detailed analysis, we'll explore the cutting-edge leaks that have surfaced, giving us a sneak peek into Nintendo's next-generation hybrid gaming console. From groundbreaking hardware upgrades to revolutionary features, the Switch 2 is shaping up to redefine portable gaming. The original Nintendo Switch revolutionized the gaming world with its hybrid design, combining portability with home console-level gaming. It bridged the gap between casual and hardcore gamers, selling over 125 million units worldwide recently. A significant leak revealed critical details about the Switch 2's hardware and features. This wasn't just a blurry photo or vague rumor, it was an in-depth look at the console's motherboard, offering clear insights into its architecture and capabilities. The Nintendo Switch 2 is rumored to feature a custom Nvidia Tegra SoC built on a 5nm process. This cutting-edge chip promises higher clock speeds, enabling smoother gameplay and faster load times, improved energy efficiency, extending battery life for longer gaming sessions, ray tracing support, bringing console-quality lighting and reflections to portable gaming. The Switch 2 will reportedly include 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, a significant upgrade from the original's 4GB. Nintendo is stepping up its game with a stunning new display. Leaks suggest the console will feature a 7.5-inch OLED screen with 4K output in docked mode, achieved through Nvidia's DLSS, Deep Learning Super Sampling, technology. 1080p resolution in handheld mode, a significant improvement over the original Switch. Higher refresh rates, likely 120 Hz, for smoother and more responsive gameplay. Higher performance often comes at the expense of battery life, a critical factor for portable devices. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of gaming. If you're as excited about the Nintendo Switch 2 as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your thoughts in the comments. What features are you most looking forward to? Until next time, happy gaming!